everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make 2-ingredient banana cupcakes. What I used is hot cake mix, it's a very popular Japanese pancake mix, and bananas. My presentation is Halloween, but it's a perfect idea for everyday snack. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. You just need ripe bananas and hot cake mix.
まずはバナナを潰します。フォークです。いきます。
In a large bowl, mash the bananas with the pork until mostly smooth. Add the hot cake mix and mix well.
生地が硬いときは水を入れるよ。
If the batter is thick, you can add a bit of water or milk. I bought these Halloween pigs in baking cups at Daiso 100 yen shop.
生地を入れるよ。
Spoon the batter into the baking cups. Now bake in the oven for about 20 minutes. Very easy, right?
スタートボタンを押してください。
ポチ。ミックスをさせます。Now it's done.めっちゃ美味しいです。最後はインタビューマイクです。ルーレット回します。好きな動物です。好きな動物をコメント